Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we're going to be building part 1-10, the Gusset Plate of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and we're building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon, and this is going to be part 1-10, the Gusset Plate. So let's open up our template, and we're going to do the top view. We're going to do a square. That's going to be 115 by 115. Let me zoom that out. Thank you very much. Let me just bring them a bit closer. So probably might be able to zoom. There we go. That's better. Okay, so we want a line to go from this point to that point. Let's now do a trim. We don't need that. That's the shape we need. But we need to set these. Oh, that wasn't too far off. 25. It was 24 point something. 28. Oh, not as good, but it's close enough. So that's the shape we need. That's all we need to do on that. Yeah, so now it's going to be 3mm thick. So we go feature, vortex, no, sorry, midplane, thank you, 3mm, and done. That's the shape we want. Now we want the holes. We need to put some holes in it. Go that one, beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes at 5mm. So hole 5mm through all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be vertical. There we go. Okay, so now do the first hole. It's going to be 11. 11. There you go. So that's the distance out. And each one of these is going to be 30 across. Or 30 between the holes, sorry. So from hole 1, hole 2, 30. From hole 2 to hole 3, 30. Hole 3 to hole 4. Oop. And again. Hole 3 to hole 4. Try again. Hole 3 to hole 4. Something I'm clicking on that one there, which is extending it for some reason. 30. There we go. So hole 1 to hole 2, 30. Hole 2 to hole 3, 30. And hole 3, hole 4, 30. That should be it. Looking good. Yep, that's it. So okay and okay. So that's pretty much all it is for that one. So that's that piece done. Nice and simple. Very simple. Probably one of the shortest ones I've done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you enjoyed it, click that like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And thank you for everyone subscribed, and welcome new subscribers. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments below. I will answer them happily. If there's anything you want me to expand on, explain more, even if it's another video or something you're not too sure on, let me know. I'll be happy to do that. So thanks again for everyone watching. Thanks again for everyone's support. And remember, thank you very much.